What's up everyone, I'm your host Jessie and this is Angie. Today we're going to show you the Harley-Davidson Adventure Touring Collection. So when you're going on an adventure with both on and off-road riding, it's best to be prepared with gear that's suitable for just about any weather or riding conditions. That's where the Do-It-All Women's Quest Adventure Touring gear comes in. First, the Women's Quest Triple Vent System jacket. It's super comfortable, plus it features the patented triple vent system so that you can stay cool during those summer months. Its seam seal construction makes it waterproof for the rainy season. It's like having two jackets in one. Connect it with our Quest riding trousers to be even more adventure ready. This jacket comes in sizes extra small to 2XL and 1 through 3W, as well as your choice of chinchilla or black. Next up, we have the Quest riding trousers. These are also ready to keep you cool and dry with thigh vents for ventilation and seam sealed waterproof material. Zippered hand warmer pockets also provide a space to keep your hands warm when you're off the bike. Like the jacket, CE approved armor is also included. Waist sizes range from 24 to 36 or with a 30-inch inseam. Our Quest Mixed Media Gauntlet gloves provide great grip, rain or shine. Because they're made up of a mix of nylon, spandex and goatskin leather with a CE Level 1 knuckle padding, your hands will be well protected and comfortable. The gloves are also seam sealed, waterproof and the reflective materials on the back. These are available in extra small to extra large. Who doesn't love a complete matching ensemble? Rounding out our look, we have the Women's Quest OutDry boots. These boots have a waterproof and breathable design with a laminated Hydrotech Sphere H2O construction. The exterior is made of durable materials such as full-grain cowhide. To help protect your lower leg and feet, there is a thermoform shin guard, heel cup, and toe cap. These are offered in sizes 37 to 42. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next time.